Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore missing devices from Device Manager in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Device Manager. So how? At the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and click on Device Manager. So select on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is our Device Manager. So once you have the show up or bring up your device manager, please expand it by double tapping or simply clicking the box icon there. And you can also minimize it if you would like to. So here, please proceed with the computer name, the computer and the name of the computer. And once you have selected it, go with the action and there you can see a list of the option. Proceed with add legacy hardware. So select the net and the moment you've selected it, this would appear. Where here you need to click on next and it will ask you to what the wizard to do. Proceed with install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Click on next and the moment you've selected it, you'll be able to see all the hardware types that you have in your Windows or computer. So here you need to select the device that is missing in your device manager, that is not showing in your device manager. So if your camera is not showing, you can select it. If your generic devices, your H2O devices is missing, you can select it. If your imaging devices as well is missing, you can select it. So let's say for example, our missing device in my case is imaging devices. So the moment you have selected the device that is missing, click on next and it will show you the manufacturer. Make sure that you have selected your manufacturer as well as the model here. Once you have selected it, click on next to proceed and it will ask you to modify your name. You can modify the name if you want to. In my case, I'll leave it at okay. So click on next once again and go with finished to complete the process. Once you have finished it, wait until it will appear here in our device manager. In my case, it's now showing. So you can update the driver or device. Do a right click, go with update driver, and it will show you on to automatically update or browse my computer for drivers to update it manually. So in this way, you have just successfully recover or restore the missing devices here in your device manager. So you can do that again. Proceed with action, go with add legacy hardware, click on next, go with install the hardware that I manually select from a list, click on next, select the hardware that is missing, click on next and install that. Select your manufacturer and there you have that, okay? So that's it. Simply close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.